in order to access to the configuration module, we should press over administration, as I mentioned before, and configuration. Now we are going to talk about menus or combos, as one as you call it. So as you see here, we can the menu will be created as an item. Okay, we will select the menu name, which will be combo, for example. It will be composed of 3 courses. Okay, if we just want to, we just need to select here or adding new one. Okay, here we can configure the price, for example, 15. Here we can configure which information we would like to print in the receipt. Okay, if we just want to print all the items or the items with a price increase or any line. We just want to print like combo and that's all. Okay, and finally we can associate this item or this menu or combo item into one family. In this case, we're going to link it with meat, for example. Okay. For example, the course 1 will be called starter. Okay, and here we can fix a minimum number of items to select as a starter. Okay, if we leave it empty, it will be by default 1. And pressing add, we can add the different items that we would like to compose as a starters. For example, we can fix salad. Okay, here we can fix also a price increase for these items in the menu, or we can leave it as 0 in order to just sell the combo as by 15 euros. As well as we can configure when we want to offer these items. Imagine that the supplier from, I don't know, from the Greek salad, from some ingredients from the Greek salad, is not supplying Saturdays and Sundays. So this item or this plate will not be available these days. Okay. The second course will be called main course. And we are going to add meat. Here, in order that you understand, we are going to fix one price increase for the entrecote. For example, the price increase will be 4 euros. And for example, the supplier from the rabbit is not supplying on Mondays. So we are going to disable this option. And finally, we have the course 3, which will be drinks. Okay, cool. So the last step is to accept, and it's done. So as you see here, okay, in the sales screen, yeah, imagine that well, by default we have created this item under the meat family, but we would like to change it into the salad family. So by selecting the item, we can press over change family button or option, and we automatically can move it into salads family. Okay, so it has been disappeared from the sales screen, from the meat family, and we have it under salads family. As you see, it's quite fast. Okay, now we are going to sell this menu that we have created in order that you see all the configurations that we have done. So We are going to press over combo. The program asks us to select one plate. Also, the price increase for Entrecôte, it's displayed with the modifier that we have configured before. And finally, the drinks. Okay, everything. Okay, as you see in the sales screen, we have the 15 with the price increase 4 euros, total 19 euros. Okay, so now following this example, we can associate one discount for, imagine that the client is one good client and we would like to make a discount for this combo because we don't want to bill the extra or this price increase for the Entrecôte. So by pressing over the item, we see different options, which the first one is discount. So by pressing here, we can apply 20% of discount to this client, and yeah, it's displayed also in the sales screen. Okay, so we are making a 380 discount amount in order to don't bill this extra for the Entrecôte. Okay, we can press total, and for example, we select credit card. Okay.